Okay, on today's topic we have Goose. I love him. Oh wait, no. I meant Ghost.
Ooh, nakakatakot.
I mean, let's face it. We all have fears. Some of us are just scared of imaginary entities that haunts our mind every time. It all begins the moment you become a kid. You will start discovering some things that can haunt your mind, like how I saw my first horror movie, or the first time I experienced a jump scare, or the first scary video that I watched on YouTube. And of course, that 3 a.m. challenge. Oh no! Parang dati nakikita ko lang na gumagalaw yung rocking chair, binabangungot na ako eh. Ngayon, routine ko na lang ata yan eh. Sa tropa ko na ata yung multo ngayon. Baka nakikinood na siya sa akin habang nagsuscroll ako sa Instagram ng madaling araw. It just feels normal now. God damn. And probably that one time I got ghosted by a friend and see them disabling all of their accounts. Yeah, that was rough. This made my young mind resulted into new fears like a fear of darkness or a fear of weird objects. Because every nighttime when I need to go outside to take the trash out, dati, kabado 20 talaga ako. I would do anything to fight these fears. At para maitapon ko ang basura, nagdadala ako ng ilaw, kahoy, tapos bigla na lang ako kumakanta kung anong nasa utak ko at that time. Hindi na makalaya. Uy, Sino dyan? Alam mo, napakaduwag mo. Ang hina mo naman. Wala ka kasing bitaw. Seryoso ka ba? Natatakot ka sa mga ganyan? But how did I conquer this fear? Well, back in junior high school, my friend invited me to a ghost hunting horror game in Roblox. Okay, hear me out. And that time, I have no knowledge to this type of games. I haven't even watched the Ghostbusters yet. They were placing cameras, they have thermometers, EMF readers, even a device that can even talk to a ghost. And I'm just there watching them with a single goal. Survive. This game sure is interesting.
Yun ba?
Ito ang creepy ng mga paintings, bro.
Pre, magiging mukha mo yun.
Oo, dito.
Oh,
EMF level 3 dito. Dito
Saan?
yung kwarto. EMF
closet
level
ata,
3.
closet.
Hindi.
Cold temp.
Hindi ko alam. Wala ako thermometer. Pero di siya EMF level 5. Level 3 lang.
Eh, sa seg.
Ako na
Likod.
Ayun, nasa likod.
Ha?
Sa likod.
Nasa likod mo, boy. What the f***?
We?
Oo.
Nasa likod.
Okay, na-drop ko.
Di ko na kailangan tong EMF.
Uy, sino kay pituan, boy? Likod nyo. Sino kay pituan?
Taguan yun. Ay, 1 degree dito. 1 degree.
Umalis na ata.
Dito na yung panigurado.
Oh my god. Ang dark.
Do you like big
Uy, may camera ako.
Ang picture mo. Ay, marubi. Ito na picture.
Bro, got caught in 4K, bro.
you? Sabi nga pala ni miss ka na daw niya.
Uy, yun
Ay,
na.
picture mo.
Nahuli ko, nakuha
Ano
ko.
pangalan?
Hindi. Ah!
Strip. Hindi naman siya.
Hello daw, sabi.
Hindi siya facing temp eh. 0.10. Oy. Uy, kinoy.
Pinatay si Teo.
Uy, pinatay siya. Wala na.
Wow. Kakat the most gatas of them all.
AFK kasi.
Oy, 0.10.
Ina mo, nakatayo lang ako.
May kuryente pa ka sa Christmas tree pero buong orphanage wala.
Santa Claus kasi.
Yung orphanage ko ng mga tatay at nanay ako meron.
Ang dark.
Ba't is na ito sunod sa akin? Di ba nga tayo natin? Hiwalay. Hiwalay.
Ako sa taas, doon kayo sa iba. Sa taas ako.
Sige. Taas ako.
Sige.
Balik ka nga sa van, check mo yung ano, ghost orb.
Okay, check ko. Wala.
Tanungin ko ba kung friendly siya?
Oo, alam
Come
nga.
on. Pinatay na. Tulog yun na.
Apat, EMF level 4.
Uy, ang bilis ng tibok.
Puso.
Saan ko ngayon?
Tibok.
Uy,
Saan yun? Uy, ba't sinarado?
hindi ako yun.
Sasarado eh, no?
Ayun!
May isa sa baba.
Ang bilis mag-flicker. Boy.
Ano naman kung mabilis ng flicker? Ikaw bumaba, ako dito.
Ayun!
Bilis na!
Julia, ka na naman!
Uy, ayun na!
Nice on ghost.
Alis na ako dito. Alis na ako dito, ah.
Nice one ghost. Where?
Oh, may... Oo, may nagtutunog.
Siya, yun eh.
Siyempre, dyan nga.
Saan?
Ako nag-pre.
Nga?
Si... Ikaw magaling ka dun, diba, Jun?
Ay.
Si...
Uy, nag-record ako sa amin.
Ghost.
Ay.
Malamig siguro yun. Malamig at madulas.
Ang baga.
Tatoy, tara dito.
Ayoko na dito ba?
Ano? Ano ba yan?
Bro, what the happened?
Ano ba yan?
Ayaw mo na to sa jar mo, ga.
Ang bastos ang p***.
Pwede itimpla sa juice.
Oh my god.
Biya, ayaw mag-reply, Jul. Paano yan? Ano mo, call mo sa messenger.
Then after that, we never played that game ever again. But 2 years went by when I saw my sibling playing a new ghost hunting game in Roblox. It's probably a famous game in Roblox that I have never heard before, but my curiosity couldn't handle it, and well, I got fully invested into this game. I learned the strategies of how you can identify ghosts easily, the items you needed, the ghost evidences, and the areas you can run and hide into. I really like and enjoy this game most of the time. And this game really helped me a bit. Hindi na ako natatakot sa mga lugar na kinakatakutan ko dati. And every time I hear noises from dark areas, all I think about is what signs of ghost evidence they are presenting. This one time I heard someone humming in the dark. The first thing that came out of my mind is, that is 100% a siren. Maybe it's true, maybe baliw na talaga ako, hindi ko alam. I also have some childhood stories about ghosts, but I'll just make a part 2 of this. So that's my video for today. You can check out my admiring experience to see on how I admire someone because of a transport strike. That's it. Bye bye.